Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you a super quick and easy way to remove that annoying ChatGPT confirmation prompt on your iPhone. Now, this is based on my personal experience, and I found it really helpful. So let's jump right in. First things first, open up your iPhone Settings app. Then, scroll down until you find Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on that. Next, scroll down again to find Extensions, and you should see the ChatGPT extension. Click into that. Okay, almost there. Scroll down until you see the Siri option. You'll see something that says, Confirm ChatGPT request. Make sure that this toggle is off. Alright, that's it. Once you've toggled that off, you can exit the Settings app. Now the next time you make a Siri request that involves ChatGPT, you won't have to manually confirm anything. It's going to automatically start processing the request, like this. See? Easy peasy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. You can find some useful links in the description below. Thanks for watching.